Good afternoon. Hello, 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 hello to you. It's your girl Esha here, and welcome to A Trini Christmas Experience. Yes! I am so excited to be here this afternoon. Oh my goodness. I have had some technical challenges today, but I really hope it's okay now. If you're watching live, please leave me a comment. Let me know that you can hear me and you can see me. Because otherwise, I don't know. I'm using a new software and I'm really hoping that this is going to work out. All right. So, what are we making today? So it is a Trini Christmas experience. By now you have your recipe booklet and all of the wonderful recipes in there. I'm going to be making pastel pie live today. Yeah, and I'm so excited about pastel pie. So I love pastels. That's one of the things that I really love about any Trini Christmas. Any Trini will tell you the same. And yes, I'm making pastel pie, but because pastels are very labor intensive, you have to use the pastel press, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to wrap it in the banana leaf, you have to steam them, and then you can eat them and enjoy them. So pastel pie is bringing all of those ingredients together, and you can just bake it in the oven. How about that? Of course, Trini is trying to find ways to do everything. So making a pastel pie, making ginger beer, of course, just the blending. I have everything ready to go in the blender here, putting it to, as the Trinis say, draw, or leaving it overnight to brew. We're not going to do that, obviously, but I'll just go through the process of making it. And then I will show you how to make the ginger rango, which is my ginger beer drink that I stumbled upon by accident, completely by accident, and I love it. I really do. So I don't only drink it at Christmas time, as I've said on other lives, as I put in the recipe booklet, I make ginger beer and sorrel throughout the year because I think it is delicious and you should just enjoy it. So yes, it is a way to use ginger beer throughout the year, and it's just a really nice, refreshing drink to have. And I have a little surprise for you at the end if we have some time. I'm hoping that I will get through making the pastel pie in the amount of time that I have, and have a little surprise for you at the end. All right, so again, if you're watching live, leave me a comment and I will be sure to get to anything that you say. So just say hello, what's up, what's going on, happy Sunday. That would be cool. All right, let's get started with the pastel pie. Here we go. So I'm gonna start with the stove. I'm gonna put it on a medium-high heat, and we'll kind of see how that goes with everything cooking down and stuff. And I'm gonna do double duty today because if I wait to cook the beef and then go into cooking the what you call it, cornmeal topping, or bottom and topping for the pie, it's gonna take way too long. So we are gonna do double duty today, dual stoves, and we're gonna get it going. I'm gonna take my whisk. Actually, I'm gonna use this whisk because I'm gonna use this for the cornmeal. Okay, so first let us put the liquids and everything into the pot for the cornmeal topping, because that's gonna need to come to a simmer. So I'm gonna put that in there. Here we go. Number one. Number two, that's the milk. And I'm actually using non-dairy milk with almond milk. And that's the water. And I also, you need to put in all of the other stuff too. So the salt, pepper, and ginger powder, or granulated ginger, that's what I use instead of ginger powder, is in there. And then the melted butter and the olive oil, or you could use any kind of vegetable oil, is in there as well. And that's just to make the cornmeal mixture more pliable, because if you don't put that in, it's going to be kind of tough. And we don't want tough cornmeal. All right, so here we go. I am whisking this up. And that is gonna come to a boil. I'm gonna put a lid on that so it will boil a little bit faster and keep an eye on it. All right, so let's move into the ground beef now. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. A couple tablespoons of oil. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so the first thing to go in are the onions, the garlic, and the jalapeno, or if you have pimento peppers where you are, rock on, do you.